Hey guys, it's Amber Autopsy. I am filming this video for We Are the Asylum Kids. I am very sorry I have been lagging on videos. I haven't really been myself lately, you can say. I've been just really down and not wanting to get up or take videos, or because plus I don't have my extensions or my hair dye. I'm gonna dye my hair a different color, but so I decided I put my old ones in and just like I made myself some buns. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do favorite things and shit, because I think that was like last week's videos and I made one but it completely shit. So my favorites. Ow, that's still hot. One of my favorite things, I'm gonna go with beauty and then other topics, is this. My straightener. It is let me see. It is a never mind, whatever. I can't find anything. Okay. I can't really say the name. It's Amika. It's A-M-I-K-A. This was over $100, but I got it on sale for $99. So yeah. It's supposed to be really good for your hair. I love it because it's like this is the only straightener that actually works for me. So yeah. I think it's so pretty. Yeah, that's one of my favorite things. Let's see. I'm obsessed with MAC makeup. I'm just gonna put that out there. I love MAC. Too much money to spend. It's so much money though. Like, I have their makeup brushes. I'm gonna like, yeah, their Finish Natural, the powder, and I'm like halfway done with this. My foundation, and I got eyeshadows and stuff like that. I spent like over $100 and something on MAC makeup once. I'm obsessed with eyelashes, even though I don't know how to put them on. And yeah, they're so pretty. When my brother Jeffrey comes here, he's gonna help me. So yeah. I love red lipstick, if you can tell. I have a lot of red lipsticks. My other one is over there. I'll be right back. Again, I'm sorry. Had to get my bag. I love lipsticks in general, but my favorite one is red. My top favorite, I have to say, is this one, and I totally don't remember. I think it was like Neutrogena or something. I'm not really sure. But it looks like you can tell I used it. It looks like this, and yeah, if you keep like putting it on and putting it on, it'll get darker. But yeah, and then this is my second. Whoa! I'm so clumsy. This one, oh, I love this one. This smells like vanilla. Looks like that. And let's see. This one's like a red. And you when you put it on, you only want to put it on little. So if you, let's see, it's right there. So you can tell how like red it is. Then my Kate one from Rimmel, Rimmel. It's like, this one's really, this one's good. It's like a darkish red, and this is pretty new. I just got it not too long ago. I'm gonna swatch it. Ooh. Okay. That one. You can see all the reds. Then my MAC one. This one is like a matte, I think. Yeah, it's a matte one, and it looks like this. Then I'm gonna swatch it. This one's the MAC one. This one's the Rimmel. This one's this one. And then this one is this one. Okay. I also like this one. It's not a red, it's like a pinkish purple. And it's so pretty. It's by MAC. And I love this one. I wear it all the time. So I wear that one and my red ones all the time. So I swatched it. It's like a pretty pink. Pretty pinkish purple. Yeah, I have makeup all over my hands. And oh, you have to have these. These don't hurt your eyes. That's amazing. Like all these other ones, they hurt my eyes, and I can't and they irritate my skin. Yeah. But yeah, and then I love lip gloss too. I have a Neutrogena one and a MAC one. I'm wearing my MAC one right now. If you guys can tell, it's like pink sparklies. But yeah. Yeah. I love makeup. I'm obsessed with it. Don't judge me. I'm sorry. I have makeup everywhere. Like, it's freaking crazy, dude. So, I'll show you my MAC one. My MAC one looks like this. It's called MAC Dazzle Glass, and it's in Funtabulous. Yeah, but I'm wearing that right now. Then I got a Neutrogena one. It's a pretty pink one. It's nice to wear out. I like this one. I just got it. But yeah, I can go on and on. I'm obsessed with music and drawings that people draw of me. I'll show you. Oh, let's see. No. Okay. Yeah, this one and this one. And yeah, MAC, Hot Topic, Upon This Dawning, and of course, I have to have that. Yeah, that's the beauty products I'm gonna show you. Oh, I'll show you this. This is one of my MAC eyeshadows. If you want to know more about my products or more extensive review on them, you can comment below and all that good jazz. I know this is kind of a stupid video. I'm just blah blah on. So, yeah. Now what? I forgot what I was gonna say. Fuck. Oh, if you want any advice on anything, you can comment below or message me on this page or on my official YouTube or our official We Are the Asylum Kids page on Facebook. So I'll talk to you in a little bit again. Bye guys.